Hi, this is Elektra Yao, immigration attorney, and today we are going to talk about changes or potential changes that are going to occur under the new administration, the Biden-Harris administration. So before we talk about potential policy and legal changes that the Biden-Harris administration has announced, I think that it's really important to talk about the new sense of confidence that the international world has in the U.S. Unfortunately, due to the current administration, many international and many countries and foreign nationals lost confidence in our current administration and the prestige and the renown that was that America was known for, especially our job market and our inclusion of all different types of people, was kind of lost under this administration. So one of the biggest changes is this new sense of confidence and support in America and what America represents, specifically inclusionism, dedication to diversity, and all different types of people and cultures and nations and languages, etc. So I think that that new sense of confidence is what has laid the platform for these potential new changes that are going to, that the Biden-Harris administration has stated that they're going to make in the first 100 days. So I think the first thing that it's really important to note is that the Biden-Harris administration has pledged to lift the international travel bans on the 13 African and or Muslim nations. I think that when the current administration administered these international travel bans, it was a shock, especially due to the language that was utilized and the legal spirit behind this. Again, very anti-American, anti-inclusionary, and highly racist and xenophobic, many people would argue, including myself. So this new administration, the Biden-Harris administration, has pledged to lift these bans on these 13 African and or Muslim countries. So this is a great sign for families to be reunited and for nationals of these countries to come live here, study here, work here, and be present in America and contribute to the American fabric. The Biden-Harris administration has also pledged to fully restore DACA. Right now, no new DACA applications are allowed under this current administration, even though there was a Supreme Court case that was won, and the Supreme Court basically stated that it should be reinstated. USCIS has stated on their website that they will not be accepting new DACA applications. So the Biden-Harris administration has pledged to fully restore DACA. So that is the second change. The third potential new change that will occur in immigration law and policy is this 100-day freeze on deportations. This is really important because the current administration has been deporting people at an alarming rate. So it's very it's very interesting that the Biden-Harris administration is following the trend of what the Obama administration did, which was limit deportations to certain foreign nationals or undocumented individuals. And that leads me to my next point of collateral arrests. Under the Obama administration, there were very minimal collateral arrests. And for those of you who don't know, a collateral arrest is basically somebody who was at the wrong place in the wrong time and was arrested because another person was arrested. So two undocumented people, ICE has a warrant for one undocumented person. There happens to be that second undocumented person in the room. That is a collateral arrest. ICE takes them in, even though they didn't have a warrant for that person. So they have stated, or the Biden-Harris administration has stated, that they will curb these collateral arrests. And probably the biggest change that everybody is hoping and waiting for is the elimination, the termination of the infamous public charge rule. This is going to be a little bit difficult, I think, in the sense that I think that instead of just rescinding it, the administration will actually have to litigate this and go to court. But the termination of the public charge rule will make it so that individuals who couldn't adjust under this current administration now will be able to, because the adjustment procedures or adjustment of status procedures will be restored to what they were prior to this current administration. Again, these are just a couple things that were discussed by the Biden-Harris administration. I will tell you what I hope to see. What I hope to see is the restoration of the Yates memo, which is basically the Yates memo memorialized a deference to prior approvals. Under this current administration, I think it happened in 2018, this policy memo was rescinded. So there is no deference to current approvals. Each new employment-based case is treated as a fresh case, even if it is a extension or change of employer. So I really hope the Yates memo, or the spirit of the Yates memo, will be reinstituted. I also hope that there will be an elimination of the employment-based green card interviews. This is something that was reinstituted with the Trump administration, and it's not something that we had seen in 30 years. So kind of an anomaly, and what I also believe an unnecessary step for qualified professionals to gain permanent residency in the U.S. So those are the two major changes I hope to see, along with the changes that I discussed, which is fully restoring DACA, lifting the international travel bans of the 13 African and or Muslim countries, curbing or eliminating collateral arrests, and probably the biggest one for lots of different people, the termination and elimination of the public charge rule. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. I hope that it was interesting for you to know about these possible new changes that will occur in the new administration with the president-elect and the vice president-elect. I will be going live on YouTube every single day until Thanksgiving to express my thanks for the people who mobilized during this election, to express my thanks for the new administration, and to provide valuable legal information to provide context for people in this new exciting immigration climate. So please subscribe to my channel so that you can see all of my updates and watch my videos. And please share this video so that it could provide value to anybody who is unsure about what's currently happening or will potentially happen with the new administration. Have a great weekend, guys. We will talk on Monday.